Picture yourself strolling through Jerusalem, sun shining, falafel on your mind, and suddenly you spot someone casually carrying an assault rifle alongside their pistachio latte. Alarmed? Don't worry, they're probably just off-duty IDF reservists doing errands, not extras from an action flick. By law, they must tote their weapons, no cozy gun safes at home, so they can jump into action faster than you can say, "Where's the hummus?" It's like mandatory multitasking, grocery shopping and guarding the street, all while staying surprisingly accident-free thanks to serious training and discipline. So yes, it looks wild, but in Israel, arming your latte run is just part of the daily routine.